Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set a contact in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. Go to this call button first and go to contacts here. If you have already opened another option recent, then go to contacts here and here select particular contact. Here I select this contact and here click on this edit symbol and here you can set contact. Okay, so you can here set name and other things for particular contact. So already available name is Arthur. If you would like to add next name, yes, you can do it. Here you can type the last name, then company. Here you can type company name. Okay, then here phone number, then label. You can assign any name, any label to your for your contact, and here you can add another number, alternate number. Okay, if you have any alternate number, you can put here and select alternate number label. Okay. For example, if you give here home phone number, yes, just you can give that number and select photo, select label home as home as home for second phone number. Okay, and you can add a third phone number too. Okay, up to 3 phone numbers you can give and select the label for such phone number. Okay, suppose if you would like to add fax number, fake fax, work fax, just to select work fax as label and input fax number here. Okay, then email ID, here you can type email ID. Okay, order@gmail.com. Okay, then mobile, here you can assign custom label name too. Okay, that is for this email I have named Rio. Okay, then you can add another email. Okay, then significant date. Okay, here you can select any date, then birthday. Click on this label, just add the name for that date, that is birthday or anniversary or whatever maybe. Okay, so here I select birthday, so set the birthday accordingly and yes. So in this way you can add more things. Click on more field. Here you can give related person. Okay, type the related person name here. Okay, then click on relationship assistant. Okay, then another related person, then their assistant. Okay, if this person is a brother, you can keep it in brother relationship as brother. Okay, or child or whatever relation belongs to this name, you can choose accordingly. Okay, then SIP number, notes and label for that. So many things you can do it and finally click on save. Okay, so in this way you can easily do contact settings in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.